Hello, what's up, guys? It's another day from here in the village. Yeah, actually, it is the harvesting season of maize. Yeah, so we are the shamba here, just removing the maize cones. Yep. And you see me with this is used to sweep from here, like then you remove. Yep. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, guys. This is how we harvest maize. Then we put them in the carrying bag. Then they are ready to be carried. If you are in a distance, you can use a motorbike to carry for you. Kama kawaida, I need to check our cow. I noticed it. It was angry. Let me chop for it some napier grass. So guys, now we want to clear the land, like to chop the maize stalks. We want now to clear the land, like to chop the maize trunks. Yeah, just to clear the land and everything. Give the video a like and comment below.